Here we go. We have a question: maximum distance between same elements. So title says it all. We have given an array with repetitive elements, and our task is to find the maximum distance between two occurrences of an element. So the note here is, you may assume that every input array has a repetition. So first we have this test case. In this test case, the first occurrence of 1 is this, the last occurrence of 1 is this. So the total difference is 5. So the output is 5. This is the maximum distance that we have in this test case of the same elements. So the output is 5. In this example, the first occurrence of 2 is here, the last occurrence of 2 is here. So the maximum distance of the same element, which is 2, is 10. So the output is 10, which is the maximum distance. So let's try to build the approach. We have this test case. So in this question, we're gonna use map. So first we have this element. Let me also give the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is 1 present in map? No, 1 is not present. So we gonna store 1 with this index. Is 1 present in the map? Yes, 1 is present. The previous index was 0. The current index is 1. So the difference is 1. So we gonna save 1. Next we have 2. 2 is not there. So we gonna save 2 and with its corresponding index. Next we have 2. 2 is already there. The previous index was 2. The current index is 3. So the difference of the same element is 1. So we're gonna update our answer. Next we have these 2. The previous 2, which means the first occurrence of 2 is present on index 2 and the current index is 4. So the total difference of the element 2 is 2. So we're gonna update our answer to 2. Next we have this 1. 1 is already there in the map. The previous index was 0. The current index is 5. So the difference is 5. We're gonna update 5. So this is the answer. So we just need to return the maximum distance. So that's how this approach will work. Let's try to code this. So we will use map. Next thing, we need a for loop. Before that, I need to first find the length. Then if element is present, map contains the element. What element? The current element. Key. If current element is there or not there. If current element is not there, it is pretty simple. We just need to add the current element with the corresponding index. If the element is there, the current index is I and previous index is present in the map. We also need answer, so we need to update our answer and difference. At the end, just need to return the answer. So let's give it a try. And in between, let's talk about time and space complexity. In this code, the time complexity is order of n and space complexity is order of n also. So let's wait for it to submit. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I think we have successfully solved this question. Thank you all for watching.